you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be.
This is CryptoTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at StreamIt coin. So this is a coin that I recently saw on a video, which was this one right here by Crypto Crow. Top 5 Masternodes for 2020. How to find good Masternode coins and all that good stuff. Obviously he's got a really big following, and so doing a top 5 Masternodes video is going to get some serious views. The first coin that came up on this video was StreamIt coin, so I thought I'd dive into that today. In this video though, he does go on to say that he hasn't really deep dived into the project. He was just looking at Masternodes that would potentially have use cases and real usable use cases that he thought were good. He also looked at the financial side of things because this coin has previously been up towards $5, so obviously there could be potentially room for it to grow. But he didn't deep dive into this, so it's not a reflection on him. But if we do deep dive, as we will do today, we will see the startling number of red flags for this project. So StreamIt, the first decentralized solution for the streamers and vloggers. The overuse of the word decentralized, just anything that's got a masternode, they say that it's decentralized these days. Doesn't make it decentralized, still a central entity, central company running and using the platform. Anyway, so this coin says that it's going to be creating a way for us as content creators to really connect with users and viewers. So streaming platforms, video platforms, that kind of thing. It would produce a platform by which I can set up a set of tiers. So if I have people in tier 1 as regular viewers of my channel, tier 2 are people who do maybe visit once a month, and tier 3 probably like new users. And then you can tip them via your platform with some predefined numbers. So you can make all that kind of thing up. Also, they would have a bot integrated as well, so you can send tips via the bot. And the idea is to obviously incentivize your subscribers to watch your videos more often. And obviously this would grow your channel. If you're paying people to come and watch your content, you would grow your channel. So in terms of the platform and what they were trying to sell it as, it sounds pretty cool and it would be useful, but there's no evidence of this actual platform being built. And there are just many issues I have with this one. So if we just start with the total supply of this coin initially, so 840 million coins is the total supply, which is obviously, as we know, going to be hugely inflationary over time. Sorry. So the coin is going to go to zero with that number of coins in existence unless they had serious demand, which isn't going to happen. The pre-mine as well, 1%. So 1% of 840 million is 8.4 million coins that they pre-mined, which is a phenomenal amount of coins. 1%, you may think, okay, it's just 1%, but no, at this time, with the number of coins that are actually in existence, it's a huge percentage of the total number of coins. So they have control of pretty much the whole market in essence. And this is a typical scam that you'll see in the Masternode space with these projects that are set up nice big pre-mines. They control all the supply of the coins, and then they'll just wash trade on markets to make you think that it's successful, put up a big volume, and really as soon as people buy those coins, they'll have a tough time actually selling them off for profits later on. If we just go down to the actual roadmap here and just go across platform, beta, team expansion, platform analytics, wallet releases, pretty basic roadmap on there. We've also got a site of their GitHub. We'll jump into the white paper. Okay. So within this white paper, they do a little bit of market research, tell you about the project, what they're trying to do, all that stuff, lip service. We've seen it all before. However, within here as well, they then go on to talk about the market and its potential, but then we've got the actual platform. So the bot, So to make streaming or vlogging a full-time career, there are some challenges to be met. Besides each platform's strict content rules, one of the biggest hurdles for streaming community is to get involvement of their following base and subscribers. StreamIt bot will help you keep your base excited by allowing them to receive StreamIt coins as a reward for them to watch your channel's content. None of today's market players like Facebook Live, YouTube, etc. allow for these rewards. Instead, rewards go to the content creators, but StreamIt now offers a much needed solution to this gap in social media live video market. There is actually already Rapids coin, which is already using tipping via cryptocurrency on social media platforms. This is their Twitch. They've got it integrated with Twitter, Instagram, on Facebook. You can send tips via any of those platforms. So this isn't a new idea. They've kind of copied Rapids, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's not the first of its kind by any means. So this is the platform that they are going to produce, and they say that as a registered StreamIt streamer, you can use our platform to set rewards to your subscribers, grouping them by tiers 1 through 3. So maybe that's just an arbitrary number they've picked. What if I want 5, for example? Maybe they can't do that, only 3 tiers. You're also going to be able to set rewards for non-subscribers who come to watch your stream. This will allow you to grow your channel fast. Set the amount, set the tier, StreamIt bot will then work for you. The dashboard allows you to view the statistics of all the transactions and allows you to set up a time ban or permanent ban for trolls. You can run competitions, view all the stats, make deposits, withdrawals. It then does give you an example of what the bot would potentially be able to do for you and how it would work. But that is pretty much it. So a very short 4 pages, I think, of content on what the actual platform and bot can do. And it's just basic things. You'll be able to see analytical data by, that should say, demographics, view time, traffic source, popularity, action, spent versus earned. It really doesn't say a lot. And obviously, if you were building a platform from the ground up, you want to go into the technicalities about this, showing people exactly how you've built this and what it's going to be able to do. This is kind of like basic level, like a school project where you've come and just created a business idea and you've put down all the things that you would like to do. So like in essence, a business plan, something I used to do in university. But there's no real content to this. It's about 17 pages of white paper and it doesn't really tell you much. We've also got the block rewards. We're currently on block 160k. And as you can see, 7.5 are the block rewards at the moment. The block rewards are still growing. So again, it's going to cause the price to collapse at some point. And we also should have the roadmap as well. So this is platform release in Q4 of 2019. So over the next month, we should have the platform release if this is going to actually happen. On the Explorer, you can see the total coin supply at the moment. As we mentioned, they've already pre-mined 8.4 million coins. The total supply currently is just 10.2 million. So you can see the amount of power that they have. Obviously, most of the coins as well that they've got have been earning those Masternode rewards from day dot. And probably, I would say, at least 10.1 million will be owned by the team. So this is really not a kind of project you want to get involved with. You're really going to get burnt. On their YouTube channel, 12.3k subscribers, which is fake. You wouldn't get, that's a combined total of just over 500 views on 3 released videos for something with 12.3k subscribers. Again, another red flag, that is a fake number. So in Q4 of this year, they should have the platform released. GitHub, just 2 commits, 1 contributor, and you can see the actual time at which they actually made these commits. So if we just pull this up, they've not done anything since mid-September. So they're definitely not building something on their blockchain. That's without a shadow of a doubt. There would be a lot of usage in here. You'd be able to see all the commits, what they've been up to and what's been happening. There's nothing going on, and this is obviously one of the positives of open source. We can see behind the scenes and we can verify that these guys aren't physically doing anything. If we look at the team, they've done a good job of creating some fake profiles here. So we'll just go through a couple of these. So first up, the main man, Ankit. Fake LinkedIn profile. They use the same picture pretty much for the website and the LinkedIn profile. And he is pretty much not doing anything prior to 2014. This is a man that must be in his early 40s probably. And prior to 2014, we have no history of what he's been doing. So obviously create a previous fake education and then make up that he's the founder of StreamIt Limited. The LinkedIn profile actually goes to a Facebook page for this guy. Again, doesn't tell us anything. Says he went to some Indian public high school. Now maybe lives in London. It's all made up stuff. And then this guy here, first big red flag, Marshall is double L. There is no such name as Marshall with one L. That is not in the English language. And he's just made up some fake information. So went to Miami University, software programmer, program specialist, and then StreamIt Poland ambassador. It's all made up. And then we've got the final one here, a Vietnamese community manager. Again, just nonsense information. I've had a look through some of these things. None of it adds up. Over on Xorn platform, so this is somewhere where you can actually go behind the scenes on CryptoBridge, on the BitShares network, and see the trading history of coins that are on there. Stream is obviously one of them. Stream 1.4 BTC daily volume at the moment. Ethereum just 0.49. I would suggest any coin on here which has a higher trading volume than Ethereum is pure fake volume. I know some of these coins are scams as well. If we go over to the Explorer page, check this out for yourself. I'll leave the links down below. You can see all the trades that have taken place over the last couple of days have been from this user back to himself. Wash trading between the same user just to get that volume up. So there's no real investors coming and buying these coins. Now and then you'll see the odd person come in and buy some coins or maybe sell some coins. But these are probably the users that are going to get burnt because there's no real market for this product and there's no platform coming. So Xorn's a really good and useful way of seeing behind the scenes and identifying these wash trades, the fake volume, and just understanding what's going on here. And you can go into each of these people's profiles and see how much coins they're holding and things like that, and you can get an idea of whether these are legit traders or not. And you can see as well if they're bots, because you'll see the timestamps with literal thousandths of a second between each of their orders. So this is a really good way of having a look behind the scenes. So StreamIt coin, on the face of it, if you went to Masternodes online, it is in the top 10. And maybe you'd see it and think, okay, I can earn 31 grand per year. I can pretty much get a pretty steady income from this. It is going to cost you $46,000, by the way, to actually get a full Masternodes worth as the collateral of 20,000 stream. So super overpriced and expensive coin. Even if they were legitimately building a platform now, $2.30 for something that hasn't got the platform live, just as, you know, a potential, is too much to market a coin for. I mean, the price is just so overinflated. And then they can keep the chart looking pretty because they know that they own most of the coins. They're selling the coins back and forth between themselves. So they can keep this looking as if it's a solid bet. I would bet good money if someone came in and bought a Masternodes worth of coins, $46,000, they would shut up shop the same day. They would say, thank you very much, take that 46 grand, and the order books would just be wiped and there would be no market for that person to sell those coins to. I would bet my bottom dollar on that. just as an example as well, just to show you against Dash. So daily income of StreamIt, $86. Dash, the #1 masternode on the market, daily income $11. If something's promising you a daily income above Dash's, big red flag for me. And if you've got 46 grand to burn, maybe you can go to 67k and you would set yourself up for life if you bought a Dash masternode. I'm sure in a few years' time, people who've got these masternodes are going to be sitting on a pretty penny. Final nail in the coffin as well, on the scam section within my Discord, I'll leave a link to my Discord down below if you want to get involved with this, but we have a scam alert area, and people were talking about Privix, as this is a known scam coin already, and they are affiliated with StreamIt too, and it's been suggested that Privix had that malware that was actually hacking people's coins when they downloaded the wallet. So this team's dishonest, and they have been potentially, it's not proven, but they potentially are the reason why coins were being hacked through that that malware that was installed in one of the wallets on GitHub. So Privix, yeah, crap coin. And you can see the price data, it flatlined and died out a long while ago. StreamIt's going to go the exact same way. Once they've made their money, they will do the same. There will be a flat line in the market. Maybe we'll revisit this in a couple of months when it does die, but inevitably it will. There are just so many red flags here. Fake team, no platform being built, wash trades. They've just got nothing going for it that would suggest that it's a real project. So I hope people will look on YouTube prior to obviously investing in these coins. There's not many reviews of StreamIt on there, so hopefully mine will rank nice and highly, because I'm hoping at least someone will come across this video and decide not to waste their money on this coin, because they will be scammed out of their money, that's for certain. And this is the reason why the Masternode space is dying off. People come in here, maybe get their fingers burnt in the first coin they invest in with a scam like this, and they're not going to come and use Masternodes again. They just tarnish the whole sector as a scam. So we need to get rid of these bad actors, and hopefully I can do a little bit of that myself. Any more scams that you know of, guys, hit me up in the comment section down below. All my socials will be in the description too. Come and follow me, come and join me. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.